I'm Mona Das, and I will be demonstrating a very classical and authentic French preparation, that is fish Florentine. So fish Florentine is a poisson course. In French we call fish as poisson, and Florentine will be the bed of spinach that we will be making, and here we will be poaching the fish and we will be placing it over the bed of spinach, and then this will be gratinated under the oven or into the salamander. So let's quickly look at the ingredients that we would need to prepare this dish. So we need a fish fillet, which is here it is almost around 200 grams of fish. We need some chopped garlic, chopped onions, some lemon, mirepoix, which would comprise of celery, carrot, onions and leek. We need some nutmeg, some cheese, breadcrumb, spinach. We have the bechamel sauce, cream, butter, salt and pepper for the seasoning, and some sprigs of parsley to garnish. So let's first marinate the fish with some lemon, some salt, little bit of pepper, and we will marinate the fish and leave the fish for around 20 minutes. Okay, so our fish is marinated. We will keep it. Next we will start with the côte bouillon, in which we are going to poach the fish. So we have the water. We will add the mirepoix one by one. So this is the celery, some carrots, some onions, the leek, to this we will add some wine that would allow the fish to be firm. So add some white wine, give it a stir. After wine, we'll just put some bay leaf, 1 or 2 bay leaf, and few peppercorn. For poaching, the temperature should not exceed above 70 to 75 degrees centigrade. So make sure your water is at correct temperature. We will put the fish now for poaching. Okay. Till the time the fish is poaching, we will start with the base that we are going to make with the spinach. So for that we have a pan, put some butter, French cuisine is all about the cooking medium is butter always. So in most of the French cooking you will see that the mode of cooking is with butter, and they do use a lot of wine in their cooking. So the French cuisine is having a very mild flavor, but the flavors that they use are basically coming from butter, cheese, wine, and very mild herbs like parsley and thyme. Okay, so this is the main characteristics of a French cuisine. So here we are just melting the butter. The butter is melted. To this we will add some garlic, stir the garlic, few seconds. We will not turn the garlic brown. Just when you can get the aroma of the garlic coming, just that is the time we are going to add the chopped onions.
Okay, so once you see that the onion and the garlic is turning a bit translucent, we are going to add the spinach which we have shredded. So add the spinach. Let the spinach wilt. Once the spinach starts wilting a bit, we will add some seasoning. That would be a little bit of salt and some white pepper powder. Spinach is cooked now. We will add some cream. Stir the cream in. We add some nutmeg. Fish is poached. We have been poaching it for the last 5 minutes and the fish is cooked. Now we will gently take out the fish from the pot bouillon. Spinach, base of the spinach is ready. We'll turn this off. And now we are going to finish our fish. Let's line it first. So I've taken entree dish. First make a base of spinach mixture. We are going to place our fish over this bed of spinach. Now we will coat the fish with bechamel sauce. Make sure the consistency of the bechamel sauce is not very thick. It should be of coating consistency. Cover the fish nicely with the bechamel. Then cover it with cheese. You can use cheddar. Cover the Florentine nicely with the cheese, and now we are going to put this into the salamander for gratination.
out the tray. Put the fish onto the plate. Place the other fish. Okay, so we are just going to accompany this with toasted bread. I have few sauteed cherry tomatoes, so that would just give color. A lemon wedge. Let's put some parsley. So that would be our fish Florentine. So that's the fish Florentine.